Welcome to our interdepartmental value-added course, Vector Graphical Design. In this video, we are going to see about what is bitmap images, vector images, and how to import images and resizing images in Coreldraw. First we see about bitmap images. The bitmap images are the graphics which composed of dots called pixels. The bitmap images are mainly based on pixels and resolution dependent. The number of pixels that make up an image as well as the number of pixels that are displayed per inch. These two factors determine the quality of an image. The more pixels in the image make up higher resolution and higher quality image. If we scale a bitmap image to enlarge it without changing the resolution, it will lose the quality and look blurry or pixelated. For example, in this figure, raster E is enlarged without changing the resolution. It looks blurry or pixelated. This is mainly because of stretching the pixels over a large area. This makes them look less sharp. The most commonly used image file types are JPEG, that is Joint Photographic Expert Groups. Next one is TIFF, that is Tagged Image File Format. Next one is GIF, that is Graphics Interchange Format. Next one is PNG, that is Portable Network Graphics Format. And the final one is BMP, that is Bitmap Image File Format. Next one is vector images. The vector images are made up of path or line art that can be infinitely scalable because they are mainly based on the algorithms rather than the pixels. If we resize them infinitely larger or smaller, they will still print out just as clearly with no increase or decrease in the file size. For example, in this figure, vector, the E is expanded. It looks more clear because the vector images are mainly based on the algorithms rather than the pixels. The most commonly used vector image file types are EPS, that is Encapsulated Postscript, and SVG, that is Scalable Vector Graphics. Next one is import an image in Coreldraw. First, click on the File menu bar option and choose New. This will create a new blank file. Again, click on the File menu bar option and click on the Import option in the list. Instantly, the import dialog box appears on the screen. The image to be imported is in the D colon. So I select D colon. Within that D colon, the image to be imported is in Coreldraw folder. So select that folder. I have two images in this folder. I am going to select the first image, picture 1. Once you click on the image get highlighted and the image name appears in the file name, that is file name picture1.png. Once you select the desired image, click on the import button. Now the mouse pointer changes to a loaded graphics icon. Now place this cursor in the working area where you want to place the imported image and then click the left mouse button. Once you click the left mouse button, the imported image appears in the working area. Next one is resizing image in Coreldraw. You can increase or decrease the size of the image in Coreldraw. In order to resize the image, we first create a blank file and import any image in that blank file. Select the pick tool from the toolbox, that is, this is the icon for that tool. Click on the image to be resized and the image gets selected. I am going to increase the size of the image. So keep the mouse pointer on any one of the side handles. I am placing the mouse pointer in this place, that is bottom right corner of the image. Now the mouse pointer changes to a twin-headed arrow. Then press the left mouse button and keeping it pressed. Next, drag the mouse pointer outward in order to increase the size of the image. Thus the image get resized. Now I am going to decrease the size of an image. So select the pick tool from the toolbox and click on the image to be resized and the image gets selected. Now keep the mouse pointer on any one of the 4 side handles. I place the mouse pointer on top right corner of the image. Now the mouse pointer changes to a twin-headed arrow. Press the left mouse button and keeping it pressed. Now drag the mouse pointer inward to decrease the image size. Once you get the desired size, release the left mouse button. Thus, we successfully resized an image in Coreldraw.